today we're apple dancing now, so I have this, which is the milk from the pan. So let's get our rice. It's really good, but it's hot. Just to make it look a menu, I'm gonna add ice. Can we actually add milk, like actual milk? Like the green milk from the Family Mart? Like in there. Gotta bite it. It's a little bite, guys.
Paano matakot? Sample? Sample? Sa mata na? Oo.
Good long.
Sure ka ngayon, naabutan ko rin dito si John Lucas, nagaganap bilang isa sa mga kadete. Hi, John! Nilook forward ng mga nanonood ng Polo Teams. Talagang nervous yun sila. Manginginig sila matakot.
So let's go cheer the bulldog. Since this is already cold. It's actually tastes good. I love this. 10 out of 10. I'm going to be rating all the foods in Japan. Okay. So today I'm in Japan. It's pretty cold. So and we're watching some TV. Why is the table hot? It's full cheese and look at the
Unang check ko sa ditong klaseng ship eh. So parang ako pagkapasok, parang ang ito pala yung buhay nila dito.
I especially I actually like seaweed. Actually no, I don't like it. I love it. I'm gonna rate the seaweed 10 out of 10 too. But I'm gonna change this one to probably 11 out of 10. I like the seaweed. It's good. Let's actually taste the bulldog. Wait lang.
Dahil daw dito, ayon sa kanilang paniniwala, hindi siya matahimik, kaya bumabangon mula sa libingan.
Oh, it's kicking. Oh, hell.
Dapat maayos ang ating pagtulong o pagtihanda ang isang kaluluwa tungo sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Diyos.
Me?
At kaya ala,
May uminom lang ako ng strawberry, me. Nawala yung angaw.
Kaya sila ang pagdalagala at nangihingon.
Oh my gosh, guys. If you actually drink this and if